Initially, I really didn't know how this graphic designing job is going to help me throughout the career, because after AI has come in to the market, things have really changed. People like small kids, they are also doing what I do basically. They don't need to learn the softwares anymore. They can just command and things can happen. It's very easy for people out there, and they are snatching our jobs. So I really wanted to look forward to something which is very relatable to what I do basically, but then it's a next step ahead, and that's how I started doing all the research, and I came across Simplilearn's course. So after completing the UI UX, this course has given me confidence that my placements will happen really nice, and I'll be very confident enough to set up new challenges and new goals in my career path, and a lot of new opportunities are waiting for me. Hi, my name is Shehnaz and this is my journey. I have experienced a lot of failures in my personal life. It's all due to my family, extended family I must say. They have always been very conservative for a girl child to go alone out of the family and pursue her career and studies, but my dad has always been supportive enough, and he didn't listen to anyone, to be very honest, and that is the only reason why I'm here in Bangalore. I really keep searching for new opportunities. I know what I can do, right, and I know what I'm doing, and I always look for opportunities which give me a professional and a personal space and a growth. I should upskill now and try moving to a different path on the same designing career, and I found Simplilearn, where I many of my friends actually suggested me to go through that, and it really helped me to get many things at one goal. I would say the flexibility of Simplilearn is very supportive. Along with that, whenever I have asked for an extension, I got it. I missed my classes, but I could make that up on the recordings, and on that the best part is I didn't lose out on my attendance due to the recordings. So that way I could manage everything together. The projects that I have done, it was fun. Initially I was very scared because it looked very new to me, but after I started doing it, now it looks very easy. When I initially went through the brochure, I actually wanted to do a course where there is a AI integration, because after the AI has come into the market, a lot of people are doing what I am currently doing without even having that knowledge, right? But as of now, I am very happy that I know how to integrate AI in my work. I know how I can do research work. I know how interaction works. In many things, like in daily life we use Instagram and we see many micro interactions, right, and we never knew how it is done, and knowing all of this, I feel it's a personal benefit for me. So the transformations that have happened is mainly now I'm not just into one thing where I see my job is happening. I can go into various fields. I can start looking job for research and strategies. I can start looking out for more into UI UX. I can do framing work. I can do prototyping. So in that way, a lot of professional transformation has happened.
In the beginning, it was very skeptical about it, like how online will go, and leaving a full-time job and then taking up a course. When I saw her confidence, and obviously the details came in, like okay, she can do it, and obviously that opens up, as you know, like as a employee, like even I'm working where I see AI is like booming, right? So when you have a course and you know that upskilling will lead to different levels of job, not just limited to one space, then I was very much happy.
A lot of people out there, they get scared when either they are very unsatisfied with their personal or professional life, and they take a decision where things do not go right for them, right? Please do not get scared. It's okay to take a break and then just to sit back and think